Well, hello YouTube. You know what? Ants. We've had like 8 inches of rain the last 2 weeks here in central Texas, and the little ant buggers won't go out and get their feet muddy looking for food outside. So they come in the house. Which, it doesn't matter how clean you keep your house or whatever, ants will come in and find something to eat. A couple of days ago, they were in the dog food bowls. So, yeah, the dogs don't like it when they're eating food that's got ants in it. Anyway, yeah, you could buy expensive ant spray and ant killers, but why do that? Go to Walmart, you get you some Borax. If you look at the ant killers, the active ingredient in ant killers is boric acid, I think, whatever you call it. Anyway, this is like, borax is like 100% boric acid. So what you do is you take a little bit of this, and it comes in a powder. You actually mix it with your detergent to make your clothes cleaner. Anyway, I don't use it for that. So you mix a little borax with peanut butter, and you put it on a piece of paper. And this is not very many ants compared to what there was. There was like a bazillion. So anyway, that's what you do. Little handy dandy tip. Kill them with boric acid. So anyway, yeah. Come in some watermelon. Who doesn't like watermelon? Everybody likes watermelon. And this watermelon was free. Yeah, I was at Salvation Army a couple of days ago and picking up stuff to resell on eBay. And I got a really neat, who was it? Shoot. It was a football jacket. So anyway, I got a football jacket to sell. But out in front of the Salvation Army, you know, the stores, when they get too much stuff in, can't sell it. So outside of the Salvation Army, they had free watermelons. So this one lady was pulling out of the parking lot, and she had so many in her trunk, her bumper was almost dragging the ground. And here's some okra, fresh okra. Gonna have gumbo tonight, baby. Gumbo. Gotta love gumbo. Where'd I get it? I'll show you. Hang on. We'll go outside and look at my okra. You know what? Also, if you're into gardening, it's time to get your fall garden seeds planted. Yep. Butternut squash. Yum. I love butternut squash. So, yeah. Get you some potting soil and put them in a plastic cup, poke a hole in the bottom, water them good. Here we go. Peeking her head up. Another one starting right there. And these aren't poking their heads out yet. But yeah, after you get them started here, then you transfer them to the garden in a week or so. Yeah, good eating come. Oh, they should produce around the end of October. I don't know. Let's see. Look on the package. Let's see. What's the, yeah, days to harvest. 85 days. So, I planted these seeds about 4 days ago. Poking their heads up. It was 85 miles. I got 81 days until harvest. So, whatever that figures out to. I can't count that high. Anyway, Silver Hair Stacker. Good luck. God bless. See you later. Bye. Okay, so yeah, I got an okra forest going. Yeah. Some of these are taller than me. I'm 6 foot tall. Yeah, look at that okra flower. And the ants like okra too. Look at those ants on that okra flower. Yeah, it's alright, they won't eat much. They do bite you when you try to harvest your okra. But first comes the flower, and then comes the little okra pods, and then they make big okra pods. Look how pretty that flower is. Yeah. So, yeah, this okra plant is taller than I am. So it's like 6'6" right now. Pretty soon, they'll get so tall, you have to bend them over, and then you can pick the okra off. So anyway, yeah, a forest of okra. I probably got, I don't know how many plants, a whole bunch. So I'm picking okra every day and giving some away and eating all I can. All right, it's your silver hair stacker, just showing you the okra patch and how to kill ants, and that's about it. All right, good luck, God bless.